To set volume up and down keys as magnifier window in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, select the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select advanced settings, and then tap volume up and down keys. Check magnifier window, and then uncheck other option. Now when you press and hold the volume up and down keys for 2 seconds, magnifier window will be turned on. And to turn off, press again volume up and volume down keys for 3 seconds. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.